are pleased to show you the 2019 Hyundai Tucson. Boasting low noise and vibration levels and a smooth ride, the Tucson combines the rugged utility of an SUV with the maneuverability and refinement of a car. With its spacious interior, small never felt so big. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, brake assist, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.